It has the potential to create intelligent systems that can learn and adapt to new situations. Machine learning has become an integral part of various industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and entertainment. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that can be used to make predictions, automate tasks, and improve decision-making. Some of the key applications of machine learning are as follows. Image and speech recognition. Machine learning algorithms can identify and classify images and speech. They can be used to develop applications such as facial recognition, voice assistants, and image search engines. Natural language processing. Machine learning algorithms can analyze and understand human language. They can be used to develop applications such as chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Predictive modeling. Machine learning algorithms can make predictions based on historical data. They can be used to develop applications such as fraud detection, customer churn prediction, and credit scoring. Recommendation systems. Machine learning algorithms can analyze user behavior and provide personalized recommendations. They can be used to develop applications such as product recommendations, content recommendations, and music recommendations. Autonomous vehicles. Machine learning algorithms can enable vehicles to drive themselves by analyzing sensor data and making decisions in real time. They can be used to develop applications such as self-driving cars, drones, and robots. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training algorithms to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. It is based on the concept of artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms are designed to process large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on the patterns. This is done through the use of artificial neural networks, which are composed of layers of interconnected nodes. Each node in a neural network performs a simple mathematical operation, and the output of one node is used as the input for the next node in the network. The layers in the network are trained to recognize different features of the input data, and the output of the network is a prediction or decision based on the patterns identified in the input data. Deep learning has been successful in various applications, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. It has enabled the development of systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions on their own, without the need for explicit programming. Deep learning algorithms include convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and deep belief networks, DBNs. These algorithms have multiple layers of nodes, which enable them to process more complex